everyone, and welcome back to Harris Financial Coaching. Today, I wanted to talk to you about how I obtained my education with no student loan debt. So in 2003, I started my educational journey after joining the military in 2001. So from 2003 until 2008, I was able to obtain my first 3 degrees with paying nothing out of pocket and zero student loan debt. I was able to do this by applying for the FAFSA. So the FAFSA was able to grant me the Pell Grant. This was money that I was able to keep and apply it to my tuition. The military also paid for my courses, so I paid nothing for tuition, fees, and had a little extra money in my pocket for future expenses. When I exited the military, I was not able to transfer my 9/11 GI Bill to any of my family members, so I continued my education that was fully funded by the VA. Now, after that, my funds did run out while I was working on a degree, so I asked my employer if they had any tuition reimbursement policies, and they did. The tuition reimbursement policy that they offered was the $5,250 annual tax-free limit that the IRS allows employers to offer to its employees. So I was able to finish my degree with $0 out of pocket and zero student loan debt. Now, I will caveat that even though the limits are $5,250, that's the tax-free limit. So if you exceed that in a tax year, you're still able to continue to go to school, but any income that's reimbursed by your employer will be added to your gross income, and you'll receive a reduced rate back because that money will be taxed. But it will still limit the expenses that you need to pay out of pocket for your tuition. Now, I also want to talk to you about the difference between public and private institutions. If you go to a private institution, you're going to pay more out of pocket than if you would go to a public institution. Private institutions, you pay 75% more to attend these institutions as opposed to a public institution. So it is wise to go to a public institution as opposed to a private institution if you're looking to take advantage of the IRS tax offerings that are available to you, and if you want to eliminate the need to get a student loan, and also to maximize what you are being offered when you complete your FAFSA. So these are just some ways that I was able to obtain my education with $0 student loan debt, maximizing my employer's benefit offerings with the tuition reimbursement program, and also by attending a public institution as opposed to a private institution, and finally maximizing the GI Bill benefits that were available to me. So just remember, fill out your FAFSA, see what free money is available to you, talk to your employer about what tuition reimbursement is available, and even if they have scholarship opportunities for your children. Thanks for listening about how I obtained my education with zero student loan debt and how you can do it too. If you need financial coaching assistance, feel free to reach out to me at www.harriswealthcoach.com or on Instagram at harris.financial.